gonna be basic, and she's getting Starbucks.
You're not gonna get Starbucks?
No, I'm getting Bagel Man.
Oh my God, I'm sent to heaven.
I am supporting local. I am getting this place called Bagel Delight. Lane went inside to get us 2 bagels. I got egg and cheese, and she's getting a regular bagel, and I got some coffee. Yo, support local. So me and Lane, this is my friend Lane, by the way, we are going to do some fun things today. First thing we're gonna do is, wait, I already forgot. Oh, Essex.
Oh my God, they have a zoo there.
Ew, you support zoos? They're cruel. No,
Yeah, they are.
They are cruel, but they got some cool animals in there. Now we're going to Essex. What's Niantic?
Yep.
Niantic and New London. New London. New London had that place, that mansion, right?
Yeah, there's a bunch of mansions.
Oh, I can't wait to go to New London. That place looks sweet. It's only like an hour away from here, so should be there real quick.
See you then.
Yeah. We are here. We are at Gellette Castle, and wait till you see this place. Oh my goodness. This river right here is the Connecticut River, and this castle is located in East Haddam. Gellette Castle. Holy crap, this place is amazing. Okay, that was a small tour of the castle. We are on like a time crunch. I think we're trying to do like as much place as we can do before 5. So, 4? Oh yeah.
My class is at 5.
I guess she has class at 5, so, okay.
We'll make it.
We'll make it, yeah. We got quite a bit of things to do left. Quite a, I don't think I said.
English, please.
We have quite a few things to do. Okay, this is the second location in New London. This place is called Washington Coffee Company. Oh, that brings back some memories. I used to play with one of those when I was a kid. Oh.
Mine's Alex.
Alex?
No, I really can't complain. Wave, everything is straight. Wave, I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it, fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill. The space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums with the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous. Like I don't show my face as I'm jumping on the stage. Like I'm living.
Welcome to New London. Hell yeah. I've always wanted to go to London. Now I've got the chance to. Just the American version. All right, we're heading back to the car. We're done destroying New London. It's time to go to, actually.
Papa Molly, I'm sweating.
We still have to go to one more place over here in New London and then hurry up, make it back home by 3. It's already 1. Oh.
All right, we're here at the final place.
I don't know what it's called.
I do. It's called Harkness Memorial State Park. And wait till you see this place. I think there's like a really cool mansion. Well, there's definitely a really cool mansion. We just have to find it. How much time do you say we have over here?
An hour.
We have an hour here?
Yep.
Hell yeah. I thought we had like 20 minutes.
Well,
We're in such a
maybe
rush.
like 45. I don't know. We should leave it like 2:15.
Okay, let's do that. Welcome to my crib. Check it out. There's like so much room for activities. You saw that? I keep freaking tripping over my sandal. This is like the 5th time. What the hell's going on? Help. Somebody send help.
Do a cartwheel.
You do a cartwheel. I get you.
I don't know how.
Here, I'll do.
No,
I'll do
really.
one if you do one.
I don't know how.
You want to? Put your
I
phone.
don't know
Just drop your
how.
phone. Try it.
I feel like this is gonna hurt.
If you fail. Dang, she's losing the glasses. It's serious now. Oh, you freaking did it.
I did?
That was pretty much it.
Where my legs?
I was expecting you to fall at least. That was great.
I feel a little dizzy.
Now you got to do a backflip.
I don't know how to do that. I'll break my neck. That's so cool. It looks so blue.
This place is so big. It's day 52. We haven't left yet. We're still walking. Help, send water. We have to make it home by 3, right? What time is it?
It's 2.
Okay, 2. Okay, we're about an hour and 20 minutes away. Let's see if we can do it. We made it. What time is it? Made it 3:39. Hell yeah. All right, she's leaving. Let me get out of the way. Bye. All right, hell yeah. We made it back just in time. Thank you to Lehne, of course, for coming with me, and thank you to those awesome bros doing wheelies. That was sick. We just randomly met those dudes at this coffee shop, seen them doing wheelies, as you've seen. And then, yeah, wheeled with them in New London. That was so sick. Thanks again, guys. And thank you to everybody watching this. Appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.